Check out this custom range hood from Archways and Ceilings. It's an extra large jigsaw puzzle with simple instructions. This is what solo work looks like. But I got it in place and on center. Temporary construction screws. Secured with 6-inch lag screws. Second half going up. Got it! Screw in the front curved pieces. And finally, the side panels. Tile was already up, so I drilled through with a carbide bit and secured the back with 4 more lag screws. This is the hang test. She's sturdy. If you want a unique piece for your build that is custom made to your specs, look at Archways and Ceilings. Follow to see how I finish it.